YouTube? As you can see, it's your guy Be More Bread, back at you with another video. Pretty special one for you this time. A little bit different scenario than what I typically do. Typically it's just rides, motor vlogs, and things of that nature. But like I said, special one for you today. This one is brought to you by a company outside of Phoenix called Parking Lot Punx. They do make like frame sliders, crash bars, rear sets, and a couple other things. Definitely go to their website, check them out. Small company, like I said, right outside of Phoenix. You know, they reached out, showed me some love, and I reciprocated that. You know, hopefully the beginning of a beautiful partnership. But I kind of like the stuff that they're doing with some of their sliders and stuff, their crash bars, and you know, fall protection, things like that on the bikes. I do feel like it's a lot better looking than what we were typically accustomed to seeing on the market from some of these companies. So go ahead and unravel, show you what I got, and then we're gonna install it on the bike as well. So this is a set of rears for my Lowrider S 2021, and I did open these and check them out earlier, and this is all I believe it's also like CNC billet aluminum, but like the finishing and just like the craftsmanship and stuff on this set is actually really good. Usually, you know, like I'm running a bunking now, it's like welds and stuff like that, which they do a job, right? But aesthetically, I just feel like this is just like more badass look, if that makes sense, than what I'm currently running. As you can see, like nice detailing too. They got their company name, kind of like laser engraved on the set. It's a 3-piece set, no welds, so it does look a lot cleaner. Essentially, you know, put this set, this is a part, and then you got the bracket that mounts to the side of the bike. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the other one out. Up and coming company. Really think you guys should go check them out. I don't really like promoting no companies and stuff like that, just because I don't want people telling me, you know, what to post on my channel, or even like what to say on my channel. But like, I really did like this set. And if it was some bullshit, honestly, I would tell you guys, hey, this is garbage, don't buy it. But just from the craftsmanship aspect alone, and you know what, the build quality and stuff alone on this set, you know, I'm sold on it. There are a couple guys that like stunt and stuff. I don't do any stunting and things like that, but if those guys are running them and they're stunting, what's that tell you? That they hold up to the abuse and stuff. I'm gonna put you down for a second. Let me get this other one out. You do have your hardware here to put them on the bike. They did send a couple dope stickers. You know, I love the stickers. As you can see, I got stickers all over the place. We're gonna go ahead and install these on the bike here in a little bit. Like I said, Parking Lot Punx, American company, American made parts. Will always be better quality than the cheap Chinese stuff. And you just support dope companies, man. Support, you know, dope people in the industry doing dope things, taking products to the next level. Definitely for that. Let's get these things installed on the bike. I'll show you some pictures of how they look, some video, I guess, and how they look on the bike. All right, YouTube, we out here. Right now the exhaust is currently off of my bike because I am polishing it. It's just all grimed up and stuff from, you know, riding, rain, elements, stuff like that. So I'm polishing that up, but we're gonna go ahead and install these rear sets. As you can see, I do have the bunking. Like I said, no issues with it at all. Just feel like these will will fit a lot, you know, look a lot cleaner, a lot better. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this bracket down and repaint it. This is for the Sawiki exhaust. I am doing this in the backyard while the dog runs around a little bit. But let's go ahead and get this thing started. Go ahead and take this one apart, add some Loctite to it, put it back together. When they sent them out, they did tell me they were like gently assembled, needed to be Loctite. So you can see like pretty heavy duty hardware. I'll show you. Look good, man. Little Loctite. Only thing that they didn't send, and I'll be honest with you, is like a torque spec, right? So for me, I'm just gonna give it to tighten it all the way down, and then just kind of like snug it up here. So this one here is metric 8mm, and then the one on the inside, I think it's a 10mm. So the inside is 3/8. See, 3-piece, and these are nice, really nice. Loctite on this thing here. Maybe you don't need as much, but that's what I'm gonna put on there. I believe I am doing the right one. I honestly haven't even looked. Let's see what I got here. That might not be it. Looks good. Looks real good. The whole theme of the bike. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get that get this exhaust bracket that I was already, my exhaust is already off because like I said I was polishing it, but I'm gonna go ahead and sand this bracket down, paint it with a more weather resistant paint, and get back with y'all. Alright, both rears are on. I'm out riding the bike. About to head over to Baltimore Harley for a little event they got going on. As you can see, the rear sets on and they look real good, man. They go perfect with the whole aesthetic of the bike. Exhaust is polished. So it looks a little bit better than what it did before I took it off. But I'll give you it's the ugly side here. But man, they look real good. I feel like it came out perfect with the way the bike looks. Once again, parking lot Punx, American made, Arizona. Go check them out. Link will be in the description below. Catch y'all on the next one.